Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items. Number 3 on my list. Knife. Plain and simple. Knife. It might be number 1 on your list or everybody else's list. But listen, it's in my top 5, so don't worry about it. Okay? Today, we have the Hart utility knife, little mini utility knife, if I can get it out. But you know, when you're trying to make content, everything goes wrong. Got a little lanyard on it, a little gray lanyard to match the letters, 1/4-inch bit driver, ruler on the bottom right there, inches, that would say right there, inch, centimeters on the other side, pocket clip, 1/4-inch bit, bottle opener, click clacky, and the piece de resistance, the knife itself. Button right here, hold it down. Is it the hold down? Hold down. Is it hold down? Is it hold down to pull it out? Me don't know. Me don't even mean by. Yeah. Push button. Push button. Hart. Need to flip it over. Might as well just flip it over while I got it out. Tunka tunka. Put it back in there. Locks. Slide her back down. It's got 2 little detents. Half full. Half full. Half full. Half full. Okay. So, don't leave home without it. Okay, this one's dope because it's got a little pocket clip. I forgot it's got a pocket clip. Put this anywhere. But yeah, it's one of my faves. But knife. Where would it rank on your list? Would it make the top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.